Where's my $1,200 check? That's the question on the minds of millions of Americans lately. Congress recently passed the $2 trillion CARES Act to help the American economy, which has been devastated by the coronavirus pandemic. One part of the monumental coronavirus stimulus package is certainly getting a lot of attention. It's the provision that pays everyday Americans up to $1,200 apiece. Who gets a coronavirus stimulus check? When are they being sent? Here's everything you need to know. First, who gets a check? The good thing is that most Americans will get some money. If you made $75,000 or less, according to your most recent tax return, you'll get the maximum amount, $1,200 per adult. Households with children get even more cash, an extra $500 for every dependent age 16 or younger. Most people don't need to do anything to get their stimulus checks. If you filed taxes this year or last year, you should be all set. What if you make more than $75,000 a year? In that case, you could still be eligible for a stimulus payment, but it'll be smaller. Check amounts decrease as your income goes over $75,000, or $150,000 for married couples filing jointly, and they phase out entirely if you earn over $99,000. Do you need to file taxes to get a stimulus check? Not always. If you are on Social Security, you'll get a check automatically, even if you don't file taxes. But other people could miss out on their stimulus checks if they haven't done a tax return recently. Many low-income people aren't required to file taxes because they make so little money, but they should definitely file a simple tax return this year to make sure they receive a $1,200 check. When will you get a stimulus check? Payments start going out in mid-April. Your money will arrive faster if the IRS has your bank direct deposit information on file. If you are instead getting a paper check, you could have to wait weeks or even months for it to arrive. How do you give direct deposit info to the IRS? You've probably already given this information to the IRS in your most recent tax return. That's how most people get their tax refunds nowadays. If your direct deposit info isn't on file with the IRS, you can fill out a form available at the IRS website. Can you track when your stimulus check is coming? Sorry, there's no way to track your stimulus check, at least not yet anyway. Will you have to pay taxes on stimulus checks? The answer is no. Stimulus checks sent out in 2001 and 2008 were not considered taxable income, and coronavirus stimulus payments will also not be taxed. Use your tax-free stimulus money wisely. Hopefully, this answered all your questions. Thanks so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to know, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more.